So to get you going on this, I am going to show you how to complete the Sync It tutorial steps assignment. So the first thing you want to do is, if you don't have a paper copy of this, the resource you're going to need is the 10 steps to the tutorial process. So you're going to need this Google Doc. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to open the assignment by clicking the link and making a copy. Okay, so for this one, my task is there are 10 steps to the tutorial process, and you've reviewed these before. So you're trying to figure out which of each of these like clues match with which step. So the first one's done for you as an example. So what you're trying to find is it says, do it all again, repeat 4 through 7 with a different presenter. So I'm looking back at my 10 steps and I'm trying to find where it talks about repeating those steps. So if I scroll through and I'm looking at all the titles, we've got divided to groups, engage students. But then if I come down here, I can see that step number 8 says students repeat steps 4 through 7 for the next presenter. So that's going to be my step. I'm going to come back to my assignment. I'm going to click 8. When I do that, it's going to turn green. If I am wrong and I put a different answer, the box will turn red when I click away. So that tells me like, oh no, I got this one wrong. So let me go back and put my right answer in. And then, so I put the right answer in, and then I get to make a guess. So my guess is for the kind of battleship part of this. You're trying to sink some ships. So what you're going to do is you're going to use this chart like you would a multiplication chart, and you're going to make a guess on where you think the ships are. There are 2 ships that you'll need to hit 3 times, and there's 1 ship that you'll need to hit 4 times. So if I think that a ship is at D4, over here in my box, I'm going to click D4, and it's going to put an X in that box, and that's going to tell me that I did not hit. If I did hit, it would be an explosion. So now I'm going to move on to my next one, and it says students think about how being able to describe students think about having academic conversations and being able to describe where they are confused will help them in school. So I'm going to go back over here to my steps to the tutorial process, and I'm going to find which one I think that is. And I'm going to give you a big hint. It's going to be towards the end. So when I review my steps, I'm going to say, oh, okay, that looks like that could be step number 10. So same thing. I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to type in my answer, and then I'm going to make a guess on my game board of where I think a battleship is. When you are finished, and by finished, you need to most importantly answer all of the questions. And then if you sink the battleships, that's amazing. For submitting this assignment, you're going to take a screenshot. And when you take your screenshot, all I need you to select is your answers here. So you don't need to give me the battleship part of it. You just need to give me this part. All right, good luck, and let me know if you need any help. Send me an email. Otherwise, you guys are going to do great. Okay.